Morning everyone, so we've got a little writing lesson for us to try today, an Easter themed acrostic poem. We were meant to do this for our Easter service, but obviously unfortunately that has been postponed for now, so if we can get it done we might be able to still share them when we get back to class. So let's have a look at the learning intention. I am learning to create my own texts, and today I can think of Easter related words or activities. I can write an Easter poem. I can begin each line of my poem with the given letter, and I can check over my work to make sure that it makes sense. So an acrostic poem, we have done one of these before. We did the word winter before. So each line of the poem has to begin with the letter. So I have already put in the letters that spell out Easter. So the first activity I'd like you to do, that first success criteria, I can think of Easter related words or activities. So a suggestion that I have for you is to maybe make a wee mind map, or maybe make a wee list of activities, and you can do this on paper, you can do this online, if you've got a whiteboard and pen, it doesn't matter where. So make a wee list of things that remind you of Easter, or things to do with Easter. So for example, you might think of eggs, and then you might think of rolling the eggs. So you can add all these into your mind map. Another idea you might have might be Jesus. Obviously we had kind of looked at the story of Jesus just before we left school, so maybe that's something that you could also incorporate into your mind map. So pause the video just now, have a wee think, what sorts of activities or words can you think of that relate to Easter? What do you like doing at Easter? What does Easter remind you of? Write down any and all ideas, and then maybe you can get mum or dad or whoever to help you with the spelling of those words. Okay everyone, so by now you should have your mind map all completed. Hopefully you've got lots of different ideas. So what we need to do now is start thinking about how we can put them into sort of short sentences to make up our Easter acrostic poem. So I've got a wee suggestion for us here. So the first line could be something like, Easter is the time of year when we remember Jesus. That's just one example. Another example we could have, Easter is my favourite holiday. So what you need to do now is have we look at all the words that you've got and try and think, how can you make a sentence or a half sentence even for each of these lines in your acrostic poem. So the template for this is on Teams. You can download that from Teams, or you could do it on paper in your own home. You know, you could draw it out nice and big. If you've got a nice big paper, make a nice big poster. You can do it on your online jotter, in class notebook if you want. It doesn't matter where you do it, just give it a go. If you are doing it on paper, you could upload a little photo to Seesaw. You could even record yourself reading it out for everyone to listen to. Or you can tweet a photo, or you can upload it onto Teams as well. So there's lots of opportunities to share your work today. So good luck, have fun, and I look forward to seeing all your wonderful writing when you're finished. Bye for now.